Siguro yung interaction natin ngayon, kahit via mic na lang, wag na muna via chat kasi ano lang naman konti lang naman tayo ngayon. So, hindi naman siguro tayo mangangarag sa sounds natin. So, if you want to answer agad, you can open your mic para magkaroon tayo ng interaction. Mabilis lang tayo, ganun ulit. Represent ni ma'am dito. Then, pag meron discussion, pakipin si ma'am sa other side para makita nyo kung paano yun nangyayari at kung paano yun kinocompute. So, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to our math class. Good afternoon, grade 10 learners. So, again, kilala nyo naman ako. I am your teacher, Diane Cipriano. Same rule. Find a quiet place. Make sure your microphone is on mute. Raise your hand if you want to answer. When you are called, open your mic. Be patient and hang up before you leave. Tips and reminders. Lagi rin napaalala sa inyo ni ma'am to create a dedicated study space, use headphones, create a timetable, ask for help, and take a regular study breakfast. Now, another request, wala po sanang mag-i-screenshot ng muka ng may muka o magpipicture ng muka ng may muka, especially ng inyong mga classmates, and then you will post it on social media. Why? Nagiging sumpungan po yan ng bully. And also, it is against the Privacy Act of our Republic of the Philippines na pag nag-take ka ng photo ng hindi alam, ay pwede kang kasuhan. So, para maiwasan natin yon yung pangbubuli rin sa mga kaklase kasi maraming report na ganon, iwasan po natin mag-photo ng mga mag-capture ng mga epic photos ng ating mga classmates. So, we will now start. So, we discussed last time, pangatlong week na natin to, marami na tayong na-tackle. We discussed about the explicit formula, the arithmetic sequence, the sequence and patterns, the finite and infinite sequence, the common difference. Ayan, medyo naaalala naman ba? Tumatak naman ba sa utak, sa isip, kung paano? Sige, you can open your mic just to say yes or type yes, ma'am, opo, naalala po natin. So we can proceed with our topic for this week na very easy lang naman, yes. Okay. So for our module 3, for this first quarter, anyone in the class who wants to read nung mga maaaral natin ngayon? Yes, Biel, nakita ko nagtataas ka ng kamay. Kindly read po the presentation.
Okay po. Mathematics 10, Quarter 1, Module 3. Illustrate geometric sequence. Differentiates geometric sequence from an arithmetic sequence.
Okay, so illustrate geometric sequence. So last time we discussed about the arithmetic sequence in which we are using the explicit formula. Remember? Naalala yon, yung explicit formula. Gagamitin natin yung explicit formula sa pagkuha o sa pag-illustrate ng arithmetic sequence. But in this case, iba yung sistema natin pero mas madali siya compared to other one. Kasi walang masyadong formulang ginagamit dito. Kaya mo nga siyang sagutan sa utak mo lang eh. Ganun siya kadali. Titignan mo pa lang, alam mo na yung sagot, Bill. Ganun siya kadali. Titignan mo pa lang rows. Alam mo na agad yung sagot. So for our lesson 1, which is the geometric sequence, we will come up with 3 objectives such as A, B, and C. Identify and illustrate geometric sequence. Differentiate geometric sequence from arithmetic sequence. Ano yung pinagkaiba nila? And to find the common ratio. Kung sa arithmetic sequence, ang hinahanap natin ay common difference. Dito sa geometric sequence, ang hahanapin natin is common ratio. Mabilis si ma'am, okay lang? Carry naman? Okay naman? Okay, good. Yan. You can, okay, thank you so much sa mga nagre-react. So for our lesson 1, which is the geometric sequence, do you still remember about ratio? Naalala nyo ba kung ano yung ratio? Pag sinabi natin 1:10, 1:5, 2:6, yun yung ratio. Yun yung pinaka-pagkakaalala natin sa ratio. But we all know that, thank you so much. Ang ratio dito ay magagamit din in finding or solving and identifying if the given sequence is a geometric sequence. So, sige, nakikita ba yung presentation ni Ma'am? Teka lang, cap ko lang yung 5 at saka 10 na na cut eh. Number 5, 7. 5, dami ah. Okay. So, let's try to answer this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lang. Para mabilis lang tayo. And then, you can practice number 6 to 10 sa inyong mga papel para after this discussion, pwede rin nating itingnan kung tama ba yung pagkakasagot niyo. So, ratio as simply as B over A or second number over the first number. Di ba sa sequence may mga first, second, third, fourth number. So, para malaman mo daw yung ratio, ang kailangan mo lang tandaan, hindi naman siya formula, parang gano'n na rin, is second number over the first number. Now, on our first activity, let's try this lang. Find the ratio of the second number to the first number. Write the answer on the separate sheet of paper. Again, to find the ratio, all you need to do is just to divide the first number from the second number. So, let's try to answer number 1. What is the ratio of 3 and 15? It is, sige, you can open your mic or type your answer. Yes. So, the ratio, yes, exactly. The ratio there is 5. Ganun lang po ka-easy. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, sobrang dali lang niya to find the ratio. All you need to do is just to divide the first number from the second number or B over A, such as B is the second number and A is the first number. So, 15 divided by 3 is 5. So, the ratio for number 1 is 5. Number 2, negative 4 and 20. Negative 4 and 20. What is the ratio?
Negative 5.
Negative 5. Yes, Biel. Rosemary, it's negative 5 kasi merong negative sign yung 4. Okay. How about 1/4? 1/4 and 1. Do you still remember? Egos kay Mala. Sige, review lang para malaman nung iba, para dun sa mga nakakalito na, ma'am, paano po mag-divide ng fraction? Paano po mag-divide ng fraction to whole number? Teka lang, wala talaga. Martin. 30. Or wait. Ma'am, paano po mag-divide? Yes, reciprocate. Thank you so much para dun sa mga nakalimutan. So, we have 1/4 divide by 1. Ano lang to review lang tayo dito. So, para makuha natin yan, we will use or we will transfer the operation to multiplication and we need to get the reciprocal of 1. 1 lang naman rin eh. Di ba automatic meron siyang denominator na 1. Pag sinabi natin reciprocate, pagpapalit daw, and then proceed to multiplication. Since parehas namang 1 yan, kahit anong mangyari, ay hindi naman natin siya, wala namang magbabago. So, halimbawa na lang, magkaiba yan, para lang ma-visualize ng iba. So, halimbawa na lang, 1/4 divided by 1. So, ang gagawin ko daw dyan is to make the operation to multiplication. So, we have 1/4 magiging times 1/1. And then, proceed to multiplication. 1 times 1, 1. 4 times 1, 4. So, 1/4 divided by 1 is also 1/4. Ma'am, paano po pag iba na po yung number nito? Mamaya magkakaroon tayo ng ganong example. At least, nagkaroon lang kayo ng ideya kung paano ba yun, paano ba tayo mag-divide ng fraction to fraction or fraction to whole number. How about number 4? What is the answer? Negative 6 and negative 48. Okay, 48 divided by 6 is 8. So since pareho silang negative, negative divided by negative is positive. The answer is 8. How about 24 and 2? What is the ratio? What is the ratio? Number 5. 24 divide 2. So since, ay 2, sorry, 24 and 2 pala, and 2. So, since sabi ni ma'am, 2 divided by 24, so magkakaroon kayo ng 2 divide by 24. Pwede bang i-divide? Hindi. Pag hindi pwedeng i-divide, ayaw po ni ma'am ng decimal point. In this case, pwede natin siyang i-lowest term. So, the lowest term is 1 over 12. Yun na-explain ni ma'am, paano mag-lowest term, ha? Alam niyo na yan. Next, for number 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, kindly write it on your notes. Pakisulat sa notes. Gusto kong makita yan sa notebook. And then, the answer ay para mapag-practicean nyo sa inyong mga bahay. Okay? Check na check. Proceed tayo sa slide, sa next slide. Okay, nakopya na? Nakopya na? Sige. Excited si ma'am eh. Baka kasi mabitin tayo sa 1 hour eh. Pero pipilitin kong hindi. Sige. Sige. Merong naka-laptop sa inyo? Merong naka-laptop sa inyo? Screenshot lang sana ako ng may presentation. Wala. Okay, sige. Okay lang. Thank you. Okay, so sige, saan tayo? Balik tayo dito. Okay, so nakopya na. Practice yun sa bahay. Practice yun sa bahay yung numbers 6 to 10. Now, let's proceed with Fold Me Up activity. Sobrang dali lang nito. Sobrang easy lang nito. I want everyone to get any kind of rectangular paper. Yan. Okay. Ano to? Tawag dito? Meron to sa hawak nyo na activity sheet o wala? Or meron? Pakitype nga yes or no. Okay. So, habang hinihintay ko yung sagot nyo, I will explain the Fold Me Up activity para magkaroon tayo ng idea on how does geometric sequence go. So, we have five steps dito. So, number 1 is to look for a for a rectangular piece of paper. Kahit ano po klase. Piece ng notebook, piece ng bond paper na long, kahit ano. Meron na ba? Patingnan ng mga camera nyo. Yun muna yung first procedure natin. Iharap na kay ma'am yung inyong mga papel. Okay, iba yung nasa ES. Okay, sure. Pero at least magkakaroon na kayo ng idea on how to answer your activities. Kasi, umattend kayo ng online class ni ma'am. Maganda yan. Ayan, so meron. Okay. Katawa ng tawa. Ba't kayo tawa ng tawa? Di ba totoo? Okay. So, for our next procedure, fold the paper crosswise for the first fold, then record how many triangles formed. Crosswise. Paano ba yung crosswise? Pa-1/2 crosswise. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. So, next. How many daw? Ilan daw yung na-form na rectangle? Sige, pakisulat nyo. Pakisulat nyo sa inyong mga scratch paper. Okay. Next. Number 3, then for the second fold, fold the paper lengthwise, then count. Lengthwise, then count. How many? Paano yung lengthwise? Hala, nalito na. Ayun. Okay, for the third time, for the fourth procedure, repeat number 2 and 3 for the second and third and fourth fold. Ano yon? Lengthwise, crosswise muna and then lengthwise. Okay. Okay. So now, on the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth, how many, what is the patterns or sequence fold made? Ano nagawa? For the first fold, how many? Second fold, how many rectangles? Third fold, how many? Fourth fold, how many rectangles? Kindly open your mic and answer me. Alexa, are you there? Andyan ba si Alexa? Sige nga. Patingin nga ako kung ilan. Sige, anyone who wants to answer, raise your hand. First fold, ilan? Second fold, ilan? Third, ilan? Sige, Rosemary, open your mic. Hi, Rosemary.
Hello, ma'am.
How many rectangle in first fold?
2, ma'am.
Second fold?
4, ma'am.
Third fold?
Third, 6. 4,
Fourth fold?
8.
Tama ba yun?
Ay! 6, 8. 10, ma'am.
Ala, ulit. First fold, ilan?
2. Di pa ako tapos, ma'am eh.
Second fold?
4.
I-fold mo ulit, ilan?
12, ma'am.
Ano?
12.
Ulit na, bilangin mo nga.
2. And then 2. 4. Tapos lengthwise, ma'am.
Ano?
Wait, ma'am. Wait.
Sige. Help tayo, help. Thank you so much, Rosemary. Tama yung first and second fold mo. How about Kobe? Kobe, are you there? Hi, Kobe. Kobe. Wala. Marco. Hi, Marco.
Hello po, ma'am.
Okay, first fold.
2,
Second fold.
4,
Third fold.
8,
Fourth fold.
16.
Okay, very good. So, up to fourth fold, we have 16 rectangles. Now, on that case, let's try to answer this guide questions. For letter A, how many rectangles? Nasagot na natin yan. Yan yung first question. Letter B, is there a pattern in the sequence of rectangles obtained after 4 folds? Meron ba kayong nakikitang pattern? Yes or no? Sige, you can open your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. On the third question, you have generated a sequence of number of rectangles. What are the first 3 terms of the sequence? Ano yung first 3 terms? Since, sige, Biel, open, anong yung first 3 terms?
2, 4, and 8 po.
2, 4, and 8. Thank you so much. Yes, very good. Is the sequence is a arithmetic sequence? Arithmetic sequence ba yon?
No.
No? Yes? Bakit hindi kaya no? Biel.
Po. Ano po?
Ay, ito muna. Yung nag-yes, yung question mark na yes, si Marco ata yun. Bakit sa tingin mo yes?
May pattern, ma'am.
May pattern. So, pattern siya. Sequence siya. Pero ang tanong, it is a arithmetic sequence kaya?
Hindi po, ma'am. Kasi,
Bakit?
po,
Kasi,
yung sa 4 po, ma'am, 4 na po nadagdag.
may point. Tama. So, we cannot consider the common difference, right? Di ba yun yung isa sa rule natin to para malaman natin if it is a arithmetic sequence. Tama ba yun, Biel? Naalala? If there
Opo.
is a common difference, it is
Arithmetic
an
sequence.
sequence. Okay. So, 50-50 pa yan. Malalaman pa natin mas magiging malalim pa yung sagot sa letter D, later on. Letter E, using the pattern in the areas, what would be the sixth term of the sequence? Sige, manually. What would be the sixth term?
64.
Okay, so 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 16, 16 times 2, 32, 32 times 2, we have 64. Very good. So, the sixth term is 64. Nakuha yon ng lahat? Yes. Okay, thank you so much. Now, it is in geometric sequence, ito na yung ating discussion na sobrang dali. Na kahit hindi i-discuss ni Ma'am, ay malalaman niyo yung sagot. So, for our geometric sequence, so ito yung explanation kanina, we can come up with the ratio, the geometric sequence formula, such as a sub k plus 1 over a sub k is equal to r, or for the ratio, or a plus a sub k is equal to 1, and it is equal to a sub k times r, or the ratio. We will discuss it further. Mas madali yung explanation niya sa mga susunod na slide. Okay. So, for this geometric sequence above, we have, kanina, meron tayong 1, yun yung first triangle, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Nakukuha, nasusundan yung sinasabi ni ma'am, nasa slide, nasa presentation. Okay. 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. Yan yung nakita natin kanina. Tapos sabi nga natin, yung pang 5th term is 32, yung pang 6th term is 64 by multiplying it by 2. The common ratio, daw natin malalaman yung common ratio ng isang geometric sequence o ng isang sequence para malaman natin na geometric siya. So, for this example, we have, sabi natin kanina, ang ratio is, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung full box. Ako si Lisa. Ayun. So, for our ratio, it is B over A. Okay. So, para malaman natin yung common ratio, kailangan i-multiply natin, divide natin yung second term to first, second to third, ganyan. So, dito, 2 divide 1, 2. 4 divide 2, 2. 8 divide 4, 2. 16 divide 8, 2. So, meaning, the common ratio is
2, ma'am.
2. Okay, perfect. Ang dali, di ba? Super easy, right? And, ito yung sabi kanina, para malaman natin yung susunod na term, since 2 is the common ratio, we need to multiply it by 2. Ano yung last term natin? 16. Para makita natin yung susunod na ratio, 16 times 2 is equal to 32. Tapos, para malaman natin yung 6th term, 32 times 2. Para malaman natin yung 7th term, 64 times 2. Para malaman natin yung susunod na term, and so on, so forth. So, you will multiply it by 2. Because the common ratio is 2. Okay, thank you so much. Nakukuha ba? Nakukuha ba? Very easy, right? Okay, next. Oh, ito naman yun. Find the example. Super, ganun pa rin. More example. So, example number 1, find the common ratio and the next term in the following sequence. 1, 2, 4, 8. Letter A. Anong next sequence? Anong next number? Sige, open your mic. 1, 2, 4, 8. 16. Okay, nakuha yun. Okay, letter B. 80, 25. Ano kaya ang next term? Ayan na. Mag-count na. Okay. So for our example, pero same procedure pa rin naman. Geometric sequence. Okay. So for now, letter B, we have 80, 20, and 5. Ano daw yung susunod na term? Ang sabi ni ma'am, to find the common ratio, divide second term to first term. So we have 20 divide 80. Nakikita mo ba yung board ni ma'am?
Opo,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, tingnan natin sample kung magiging tama yung sagot mo. 80 divide 20, the answer is, ano siya, tawag dito? Lowest term niya is 1/4.
4.
Why? 20 divide, hindi 4. Kasi naka-fraction ka. It is 1/4. Ilo-lowest term yung 20 divide 80. 20 divided by 20, 20. Multiple of 20. 80 divided by 20 is 4. So, the lowest term is 1/4. Tingnan natin na yon. Yung 5 ba, pag divide na, so check ka kung tama na ito yung ratio niya. 5 divided by 20. 5 divided by 20 is also 1/4. Hence, R or our common ratio is equal to 1/4. Now, ma'am, paano po namin ngayon malalaman yung susunod na term? Paano po namin malalaman? Yung 1/4, you need to multiply it by the last term. So, we have 1/4 times 5 is equal to 5 times 1 is 5. 4, di ba may 1 yan? May imaginary 1 dyan. 5 and then 4, we have 5 over 4. So the answer is 5 over 4. It is also 1.25, yes. Pag ginamit natin yung decimal point. But the answer here is fraction. Pwede nyo rin siyang i-mix number. Ito siya, 5 over 4. Pwede nyo rin siyang i-mix number, pero yung proper fraction would be 5 naman. Okay lang rin. Nagigets yun? Okay, let's proceed with C, example. Sige, what is the answer? What is the fourth term? So, ito yung naging fourth term ng letter B. How about letter C? Sige nga, complete nyo nga sa inyong mga paper. Tapos, ipakita kay ma'am yung sagot. Di ba nag-request sa inyo si ma'am ng marker at bond paper or whiteboard sa tuwing meron tayong discussion? May I see, okay, Bill? May I see, Macy? Ah, wala pa. Sige. Tingnan natin. Kung sino yung mga nagsasagot, open your camera. What is the answer? Nakita ba yung given? Okay, explain it to the class. Biel, I want to see your whiteboard. Sige, wait lang ha. Wait lang, ipipin ko lang. Sige, explain. Pakita mo nga yung mukha mo, Biel. Mag-screenshot lang si ma'am.
Ayoko, ma'am.
No! Ayan, okay na.
Ano po?
Thank you. Okay, sige, explain please.
Bali, gagamitin po natin yung B over A po or second term divided by the first term.
Okay.
Sa sequence po na to, negative 8 over 2 is equals to negative 4. Tapos 32 over negative 8 is equals to negative 4. Tapos negative 128 over 32, negative 4 din po. Bale, ang ratio po ay negative 4 po.
Okay, thank you so much. So the ratio is -4. Now, the question is, what is the fourth ba? Oh, what is the fourth term? Tama po yun, -4. Tama po yun. Now, the question po ngayon is, what is the fourth term? So, para malaman yung fourth term, third term multiplied by the common ratio. What is the answer? Ano ba? Ayan o. -28 times -4 daw. What is the answer?
512.
Okay, thank you so much. So, the answer, let's see, Samuel, sagot niya, it is 512. Very good. Kobe yung kanina, okay din. Good din. And thank you so much, Miel. Ayan, magkakaintindihan tayo. Next, let's proceed with the next slide. Diba? Dali. Now, for this example number 2, identify the given sequence if it is arithmetic or geometric. If it is arithmetic, determine the common difference, and if it is geometric, determine the common ratio. So for our example number, letter A and letter B, 1, 3, 5, 7, geometric or arithmetic? Sige, you can open your mic. Open your mic, Mala. I want to hear you.
Arithmetic, ma'am.
Bakit?
Pareho sila ng common difference, ma'am. Ay, ng difference, kaya tinawag na common.
Okay, ano ang difference, common difference nila?
2, ma'am, 2.
2, okay, very good. How about letter B? Who wants to answer? It is a geometric or arithmetic?
Geometric, ma'am.
Bakit geometric?
Ma'am, exponential yung ano nila, pagbaba.
Exponential. Meron silang common
Ratio,
ratio. Ano ang common ratio nila?
1/2.
Okay, 1/2. Very good. Naintindihan po ba yun ng lahat? So, for our example A, 1, 3, 5, 7, masasabi mo siyang arithmetic sequence kasi meron siyang common difference. Pag yung common difference, pare-parehas sila. Pag minus mo or plus mo, pare-parehas sila. Pare-parehas sila ng answer, kaya nga po common. May common silang difference. May common silang pagkakasagot using the addition or subtraction operation. And for the letter B, 20, 10, 5 geometric sequence. Why? Because they have common ratio na 1/2. Kasi 10 divided by 20 is 1/2. 5 divided by 10 is 1/2. Right? So, doon mo na-achieve na natin yung isa sa mga objectives natin to identify if it is arithmetic or geometric. Arithmetic pag may common difference, geometric pag may common ratio. On the other hand, meron rin tayong tinatawag na finite and infinite. Same din. Pag finite geometric sequence, may endpoint, may katapusan, or eksakto. Pag infinite, walang katapusan, or hindi natatapos, infinite geometric sequence. So, letter A and letter B example, infinite, dahil maraming tuldok, at hindi siya natatapos. Ibig sabihin nun, meron pa siyang mga susunod. And letter B is a finite kasi nag-end siya sa ika-fifth term na 3. Ganun din. Same din. Katulad nung sa arithmetic sequence, finite and infinite. Now, for our enrichment activity number 1, I'll tell you what you are. So for our direction, state whether each of the following sequence is a geometric sequence or not. Geometric sequence lang or not. And then, answer it on a separate sheet of paper. We will answer at least 2 example or 3 example. And then, you will proceed with your practice sa inyong mga papers. So, let's try. Tell whether if it is a geometric or hindi. Ayan. So, for our example number 1, sige, bigyan ni ma'am sa inyo example number 1 and example number 2. We have 40, 8/5, and 8/5. 5. Para malaman daw natin kung geometric sequence siya, we need to divide second term to first term, third term to from second term. Now, paano nga po yan? Ayan na, yung refresh sa inyo ni ma'am kanina sa pag-divide ng na whole number to fraction or fraction to whole number. So, since ito yung second term, ito yung first term, i-divide natin yung divide natin yung 40 from 8 over 5. How was that? So, 8 over 5, divide down by 40. Yes, it is possible, pero para mas maliwanagan kayo, papakita sa inyo ni ma'am yung reciprocate niya and then we will proceed to multiplication operation. Ma'am, paano po yun? Diba, it is 40 over 1. Yan. Refresh lang to. Alam kong alam nyo na to. 40 over 1. So, para makuha mo yung reciprocate niyan, magiging 1 over 40 and then proceed to multiplication. So, how was that? We have 8 over 5 multiply by the reciprocate or 1 over 40. Ma'am, paano po mag-multiply niyan? Pwedeng directly lang o pwede mo pa rin mag-cancellation para bumaba yung inyong sagot. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-lowest term. Titignan mo ngayon yung numerator and the denominator ng magkaibang side. So, 8 and 40 meron siyang common. Pareha silang pwedeng i-divide by 8. So, since pareha silang pwedeng i-divide by 8, 8 divided by 8 is 1, 40 divided by 8 is 5. And then, proceed to multiplication. 1 times 1 is 1. 5 times 5 is 25. So, the ratio from second to third term is 1 over 25. Now, let's see, pag 1 over 25 rin yung lumabas dito, geometric sequence siya. Pero pag hindi, ibig sabihin wala siyang common ratio, hindi siya geometric sequence. So, we have here 8 over 25 divided by 8 over 5. So, by reciprocate. By reciprocal method natin. So, we have 8 over 25 multiplied by magiging ano? Sige, you can open your mic. Magiging
5 over 8.
5 over 8. Kasi nga, pagbabalik na rin daw ba o reciprocal. Equals 8, pwede. Cancel, pwede parehas i-multiply by 8. 5, pwede. 25 divided by 5, magiging 5. 5 divided by 5, magiging 1. So, the answer is 1 over 5. Question, parehas po ba sila? Yes or no? Parehas po ba sila? No! Wala akong naririnig na sumasagot. Wala rin ako nababasa. Parehas po ba sila?
No.
No.
No. So, since hindi, meaning it is a geometric sequence or not a geometric sequence?
Not.
Not.
Okay. Fast learner kayo, ha? Okay, for our second example, si Ma'am ulit, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ay kayo na sa inyong mga scratch papers. Example number 2, teka lang, screenshot lang sila. So, common ratio. So, this is a geometric sequence. Okay. Next. Example number 2. Ako ngayon, ha? For our example number 2, we have 3, 4, 1, 4, 3, 16, 9, infinity. Okay? Ganun ulit. 1 divided by 3, 4. How? Kasi tayo sa reciprocation, 1 multiplied by 4 over 3. So, we have 4 over 3 as the common ratio. Next, 4, 3 divided by 1. 4, 3 divided by 1 is also 4, 3. Any number divided by itself is equal to that number. So, R is equal to 4 over 3. Next, 16 over 9 divided by 4 over 3 is also equal to 16 divided by 9 multiplied by 3 4. Pwede mag-cancellation method. We have 1 and 3. We have 4 and 1. So, 4 times 1 is 4. 3 times 1 is 3. So, the common ratio here is 4 over 3. Now, pare-parehas po ba yung tatlo? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes po.
Yes. So, since pare-parehas sila, they have the common ratio. It is a geometric sequence or not a geometric sequence?
Geometric sequence.
Okay, very good. It is a geometric sequence. You got it right, got it right. Very good. Okay, for the example number 3 and 4, example 3 and 4, what is the answer? 3. What is the answer? Sige, you can write the given and answer it on your own. Sulat ni Ma'am yung given. Six, negative 18, 54, negative 162. Okay. Geometric sequence or not a geometric sequence? And show me your solution. Kahit yung number 3 lang muna. And then copy the given and then answer it on your own later. What is the answer? Marco Miguel, Samuel Kobe. Okay, thank you so much, Mala. Open your mic. It is a geometric sequence. Okay, how and why?
Ma'am, negative 3 yung common ratio, ma'am.
Ano ang common ratio nila?
Negative 3 po.
Negative 3. Okay, thank you so much. So, since they have the they have a common ratio, we can conclude that that would be a geometric sequence. Okay, copy the given 4, 5 to 10 so you can practice it on your house later.
Ma'am, sa notebook lang po yan o ipapasa po
Oo,
namin sa slide
Hindi
day?
po yan papasa. Sa notebook na lang as your notes. Hindi po siya kasama sa ipapasa. Kasi, di ba, na-explain ko sa inyo, para pare-parehas kayo nang ipapasa next week na kapag online man o modular, yung activity sheets yung sasagutan niya. Okay, you can do screenshots para mabilis din. Screenshot niyo na lang. Hindi na tayo mag-copy. Okay, let's proceed with the next slide. Nakapag-screenshot na. Ma'am, nawawalan. Hay nako, Angel Mala. Hanapin mo yung notebook mo. Okay, let's proceed with this. Assessment number 1. Determine whether each sequence is arithmetic sequence, geometric sequence, or neither. For example number 1. So we have here 88888. Infinity number. It is an arithmetic sequence? Yes or no? May common difference ba sila? Meron silang common difference. Ha? Sorry, ano?
0, ma'am.
0, yes. How about they have a common ratio?
1 po.
Okay, very good. So, the answer is neither arithmetic, neither nor geometric. So, parehas. Okay. How about example number 2? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Geometric or arithmetic or neither? Neither of the two. Okay, open your mic. May common difference ba sila or may common ratio sila?
Arithmetic, ma'am.
Ha? Sorry, ano yan?
Arithmetic.
Arithmetic. How?
May common difference.
Anong common difference nila?
1, 2.
Parang mali yata.
Ay, di pala.
Neither, ma'am. Neither.
Ha?
Di, ma'am.
Neither. Mala. Why? Check ko din.
Ma'am, ano, ma'am?
Ah, hindi. Wala.
Wait, mag-feedback, ma'am eh.
Ba't kaya neither? Neither hindi pala ibig sabihin. Neither. Ano?
Ma'am, ano kasi, ma'am? Yung 4 minus 1, ma'am, 3. Tapos yung 25 minus 16, 9. Kaya magkaiba po sila ng difference. Kaya hindi po common difference.
Okay, so hindi common difference. Okay? Oh, it is a ratio ba? Common ratio ba? Mala, may common ratio ba? Meron wala?
Wala rin po, ma'am.
Okay, wala rin. So, it is neither. Hindi siya arithmetic, hindi rin siya geometric. How about, yung number 1 din neither din siya ha. Hindi rin siya pala arithmetic, hindi rin siya geometric. Pero pwede rin pala siya arithmetic and geometric. Kasi, we can use either siya. Either of the two siya. Number 3. 1, 3, 9, 27, 81. Okay, you can open your mic. May common ratio ba siya or may common difference ba siya?
Geometric, ma'am.
Geometric.
Common ratio, ma'am, 3.
Common ratio is 3 because 3 divided by 1 is 3, 9 divided by 3 is 3, 27 divided by 9 is 3, 81 divided by 27 is 3. How about number 4? Other naman, rows. Geometric ba siya or arithmetic?
Geometric, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, meron siyang ratio, kapares na ratio na 5. Ay,
Okay, ano? Ano ang common ratio?
5.
12 divided by 3?
Ay,
Ano
3.
po?
Number 4 po pala. Mali, ma'am.
Oo. Okay. Oo, tama rin naman. So, dito sa number 5 mo, sagot mo ay
Geometric po. 5 ratio.
5 ratio. Kasi pag sinabi mong 5 ang ratio, dapat 15 divided by 5 ba is 5?
Ay,
Ay, mali.
mali, ma'am.
Okay, bumaya na tayo doon. Sige, number 4 muna. Geometric or arithmetic? Anyone here in the class? Anyone?
Geometric, ma'am.
Why geometric?
Ma'am, 192 divided by 48 equals 4. 12 divided by 3 equals
4. So, they have a common ratio 4. Okay, thank you so much. So, number 4 is geometric. Number 5 is rows. It is a arithmetic kasi they have a common difference of 10. 15 divided by, 15. 15 minus 5, 10. 25 minus 15, 10. Add 10 pala. 5 plus 10, 15. 15 plus 10, 25. 25 plus 10, 35. So, it is a arithmetic sequence. Number 6. Number 6 is geometric. Why? The common difference here is 1/2 ba? 1/2 ba, Mala? Common difference is 6.
ano, ma'am? Ratio, ma'am, ratio.
Ano?
1/2, ma'am.
Yes, common ratio niya, sorry, hindi pala difference. Common ratio niya is 1/2. Why? 1/4 divide 1/2, 1/2. 1/8 divide 1/4, 1/2. 1/16 divide 1/8, 1/2. So, it is a geometric sequence. How about number 7? It is a geometric sequence as well. Why? 5 divide 25 is 1/5. So, 125 divide 625 is also 1/5. Again, so the main point here, pag merong common ratio, it is a geometric. Pag merong common difference, it is a arithmetic. Pag wala parehas, neither, wala. Okay, how about for our enrichment activity number 2? Patapos na tayo, last na lang. Okay, sakto. May 15 minutes pa tayo. For our enrichment activity number 2, what product is famous in the city of Kawayan? Let's answer number 1 up to 6 and then we will come up with a word. Let's see. Okay, number 1. What is the common ratio in the geometric sequence? 81, 243, 729. Ano ang common ratio niya? So we have, sige, sulat natin.
3.
We have it. Makita lang, para makita na kami. So, for question number 1, we have 243 divide 81. 243 divide 81. 3 ba?
3 po. Opo.
Okay, so 3. Number 2 question. What is the missing term in the sequence? 5.
135.
Sige. Sige na, ito na ako. Hindi na isusulat ni Mami. Number 2, the missing term of the sequence is 5, 15, 45. Ano? 405. So, 3 ba ang common ratio niya? Right? So, 45 times 3. 135. Nakuha ba yun? Sino ba yung sumagot? Explain ka ba ni Ma'am or nakuha naman? Ayan o. 5, 15 divided by 5, 3. 45 divided by 15, 3. So, since 3 yung common ratio niya, yung 45, kailangan natin i-multiply by 3. So, 45 times 3 is equal to 135. Number 3 question. What is the next term in the sequence? 749, 343. May common ratio ba? What is the common ratio? 343 times
7.
7. So, 343 times 7 is 343 times 7. Anong sagot? What is the answer? Okay, give me your answer and I will wait for you. Number 4. What is the answer? Madal? Yes, open your mic.
1/3.
Ano po?
1/3 ma'am, 1/3.
Number 3?
Eh, kala ko sa 4 ma'am.
2401.
2401 po.
Okay, 2401. Thank you so much doon sa sumagat sa mga tayo. Next word, number 4, the answer, what is the common ratio? Number 4, what is the common ratio? 6/12, 6 over 12 divided by 3/4 is also equal to 6 over 12 times 4 over 3. We have
2/3.
1 and 3. We have 2/3 for number 4. Okay, how about for the 5th question? Give the next term. Anong next term? Anong common difference nila? Para malaman natin yung common difference, we have 6 divided 25 over 3.
36 out of 625.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. 625 times 5 over 3. We have 2 and 1. 1 and 5. We have 2 fifths. 2 fifths then. 2 fifths then. 2 fifths times 12 over 125 is equal to 24. Okay. 24 times 5 times 5 times 125. Tapos ilabas term na lang natin kung meron. Meron ba? What's your answer? Sige, type or open your mic. 36 over 625. Tama ba yun? Sige nga, ano natin? 24 over 625. Okay, next, for number 6, nakukuha? Number 6, we have, find the sequence. Anong missing term? Sige po, pakisagot. So we have here 10 over 18 times 6 over 5 is equal to 2, 1, 3, 9. We have 6 over 9 or ay, nagrigas pala ng 1 and 3. We have 2/3. 2/3 ba? Combination niya on your, ano din, on your answer. So, since 2/3 times 10 over 18, we have 20 over ano? Please help, ma'am. 20 over
54 po. 54.
Okay, pwede pa natin siyang in-always term na by 2. We have 10 over... pwede siguro. Oo. 10 over... Ano? 27. Okay. Meron pa ba? Wala na. So, since wala na, let's see and let's check kung tama ba. Kung makikita ba natin itong mga sagot na to. And then, give me the answer kung ano ba yung famous item here, product here in May Kawayan. Where is number... Ganun. Same answer ba tayo? Kung parang mali yung mga sagot natin. Why like that? Why like that? Let's see. Number 1. Anong nakukuha niyong letters? Sige nga, tinuti ko nga. B. Number 2. 135. Mali. Number 3, 2401. Ano to? Number 4 is 2/3. Number 5 is 24. Number 6 is 1027. So, ano yon? And then, sabi dito, ang sabi dito, the remaining boxes will spell out. Ayun. So, tatanggalin daw natin tong mga naging sagot natin. So, tatanggalin nyo yung B, tanggalin nyo yung C, tanggalin nyo yung Z, yung T, yung M, at saka yung N. Anong matitirang letters? Ano kaya ang sagot? Sabi kasi dito, the remaining boxes will spell out the famous products.
Jewelry po.
Wow. So the answer is Biel and Januel. It is jewelry. Jewelry. Famous sa May Kawayan yan eh. Siyempre naman. Okay, so that's all for our activity today. I will just have have a screenshot. Pasok? Pasok naman sa 1 hour. Okay. Okay. So, any question?
Ma'am,
Yes.
sa mga naka-digital po, meron silang week 2.2. Tapos sa amin po, wala pong week 2.2.
Ano yung week 2.0?
Marco, ano yun?
May IC.
Dalawa po yung week 2.
Dalawa yung week 2. So, ibig sabihin, sa modular din, dalawa din yung nakuha nilang week 2. Now, by the way, I will end the recordings muna. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you for this session. Upload na lang to ni Ma'am sa YouTube niya so you can retrieve or rewatch later. And pwede nyo rin siyang spread or kaya tulungan niyo si Ma'am na ma-spread to sa iba niyong mga kaklase. Thank you and God bless.